Hi, welcome to Math Sharp Kids. I'm Candace. So far we've learned all of our subtraction facts and our minus sharp to the lost city of Atlantis. Now we're going to go beyond that, beyond the lost city of Atlantis. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, once they know their facts, then they have to use algorithms or methods of working problems. There's a standard algorithm that's called the decomposition algorithm. It has a lot of borrowing and gets a little confusing. But I'm going to use an algorithm that's, I call it the efficient algorithm, but it is actually very old. It's called the Austrian Algorithm. So that's what I use in my workbooks. I have a teacher's edition and a student's edition. So let's look at how this works. We have in our teacher's edition, I think it's about like 8 pages of instructions, but I'm going to simplify that a little bit by explaining it to you in this video. So we're going to go to page 20, and here I have an enlarged version so it's easier to see. Shift this one. Alright, now we all know that we cannot take 5 from 3. So in the decomposition algorithm we start slashing numbers and borrow in 10, but in this one I'm never going to use anything but a little bitty 1. It is a type of borrowing, but it's very simplified. So we have 7,513 taking away 2,785. Now the numbers on the top, all except for the 7, are smaller than the numbers on the bottom. So we have to make an account for that. Now, what plus 5 makes 13? I'm going to make this a 13 by putting a small 1 right here next to the 8. Okay, and can you see that? Small 1 next to the 8. All right. So that becomes 13. The 1 of 13 is right down here. Now, 5 plus 8 is 13. Now we're going to take that little 1, we're going to add it to the 8, making it a 9. So what we want to do now is say 9 plus what is not 1 but 11. We're going to put a 1 down here by the 7, and the answer is 2. Alright, now we're going to add this little 1 to the 7, making it 8. Again, this number is larger than the 5, so we put a 1 right here next to the 2. So we're going to say 8 plus what is 15? 7. Okay, then we have the 1 here, we add to the 2, which makes it 3. 3 plus what is 7 is 4. So our answer is 4,728. That's a little easier, don't you think? Okay, now this is a checking system, which I'm not going to get into right now. But I just wanted to just see how easy that was. Okay. And on the student's book, page 20, well, page 12. All right. And we've got it blown up so it's easier to see. If they have spaces to put their answer, they have the problem all written out, so it makes it an easy workbook. And you have a way to check it all with the teacher's edition. So, what we have with this, with the students, we have lots of work problems, and we explain the checking method. So, we even get some pretty big problems here. And then we have word problems. We have a game, the case of the missing microchip. It's fun. All right, we have an introduction to drills, and then we let them do some drills. We have drill A and drill B. They're a little different, so they don't just memorize them. All right, and once we get through the drills, we have a record of achievement. So that can be written in how they've accomplished. And that's the workbook. There are 48 pages in the student's book and 40 pages in the teacher's book. So, thank you for listening. Until next time, bye-bye.